Hello viewers, welcome to Car Bliss Automobile. I am Sam the Car Guy, and today we are going to be talking about two things you need to know when getting a new car battery in Nigeria. Unlike the Tokunboh battery, which often come in this form and shape, new batteries in Nigeria usually come with an indicator. The indicator changes its display light from green, which indicates that the battery is in good condition and can run the engine smoothly, to black, which indicates that the battery needs to be charged, and then to white when the battery have totally lost charges and need to be replaced. In my subsequent video, I'll be telling you how you need to maintain your car battery so that it stays green and prevent it from reducing the green to black gradually, as you can see from the battery on my screen. Secondly, when getting a new car battery in Nigeria, you need to check if the battery is Korea Tech battery or a made in Korea battery. Made in Korea battery tends to be much more stronger and reliable than the Korea Tech, though the Korea Tech is also a good battery. Kindly subscribe to this channel to know more about your car battery and your car in general, and also don't forget to like this video. Thank you.